Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a flower from the Wishmas Tree. You will need green paper, blue paper, a yellow pipe cleaner, scissors, and a glue stick. Step 1 is to take your blue piece of paper and fold it in half to make a triangle. Now fold that in half again, but only to create a small crease in the middle, which is now a marker for our next fold. Next, we want to fold the paper like this. Now that we have this, fold it in half down the middle. Next, hold your paper like so. Grab your scissors and cut out a curve of your folded paper like this. Now you'll have a small petal shape, and if you open it up, you'll have a whole Wishmas Tree flower. Okay, but we're not done yet. We're going to cut a slit between two of the petals, but only to the middle of the flower. Now we'll glue these two petals that are either side of the cut together. Watch this. Next, we're going to make this look even more like a flower and curl the ends of our flower petals with our scissors. This is a bit of a tricky technique and you might need some help for this, but start by getting your scissors and putting them against the petal near the center of the flower. Then push up and against the paper as you rotate and drag the scissors across the length of the petal like so. Ta-da! Once you've done that, take your green paper and repeat the exact same steps. This is going to make our leaves. Our pipe cleaner is next. Fold that in half, then in half again, and cut the part of the pipe cleaner with a loop in it. Now we're going to twist the yellow pipe cleaners together at one end so we can push it through the center of our flower. Once it's through, just by a little bit, bend the pipe cleaner to the left or right under the flower to secure it. Now to ensure the ends of the pipe cleaners aren't too sharp and the flower looks more realistic, bend over the ends of the pipe cleaner like this. And there you have it, your very own Wishmas Tree flower. Make a wish, and I'll see you next time.